Christmas, we're at Homegoods. So let's see what we find. This is a new Homegoods for us, just opened. So I'm very excited. Find like gold pillows, gold and silver. And I'm not having any luck this season. I wanted something like this, but not orange. You see what I'm saying? Like something like this, but like orange. But gold and silver. Look at that, how pretty. I was gonna say to commemorate our trip. One of these years. Hey, look, it's the thing we have. Tree toppers, all pretty. Whoa, look at those ornaments up there, how big. Holy shit. Well, these are like super Princess Jasmine vibes. Oh, so pretty. And look at these tree toppers. Look at this pearl one. I'm kind of here for the pearls. So cute. Wow, this is so cool. That's pretty. Santa, Black Santa. I want to meet Santa. Oh, and I want to meet Black Santa. Alright guys, so I actually didn't find anything in Homegoods. I don't know if it was like that Homegoods or what. Now we're going to Homesense, which is like a bigger version of Homegoods from the same people that make Homegoods. So I'm hoping that I find something here. So let's see. Again, I don't really see anything. See, I want stuff like this. It's like so hard to find. This is. Ooh, look at this. This is pretty. That's the color I'm going for. But I don't need a tree. These are the ones I bought last year. These.
Oh, yeah.
You want me a dick? Thanks. Thank you so much. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Oh, this is like beautiful. Gorgeous, guys. So pretty. I love these like marbleized ones. so many beautiful ones. Does this one light up too? I don't think so. Where's the gold one that lights up? What in the Whoville is this? What's the nice people Christmas? Very gnomey this year. Everything is about gnomes, I see. I'm not into it. I picked up a wreath, guys. I found a nice one for 40 bucks. And it lights up. It has some nice gold accents. I'll show you guys when we get home. Oh, how pretty. I love this blush tree. This goes really nice with my vibe this year. Dang. For my tree, guys. So I'm grabbing this. I also picked up this cute tree. I found these Melcy cups. Some nice stuff happening over here. Look at these paper plates, how cute. Oh, I needed the jute. Remember I said I needed jute? Do I need this much though? For $4, this is a really good amount though, because in Dollar Tree I might find it for $1, but it's gonna be like so much less than what I would get for this much. This is 165 yards for $4. So definitely worth it, because I can keep this in my crafting box and always have jute rope. And that's exactly what I needed. Speaking of jute rope, we need jute placemats. So I have to make 2 more place settings for Friendsgiving, because we thought it was going to be 6 of us. Turns out it's going to be 8 of us, which we've had before, but not with our dining situation now. Before we had more chairs and they were smaller. Now we have 6 bigger chairs. So yeah. These are, guys, leopard print. And we have happy holidays. Oh my god, look at these mini little tasting spoons. Cocktail spoons. We have cocktail forks. Oh my god, that is so cute. Adorable. This candle I found on clearance for 10 bucks. It smells really good. Stopping into Pier 1 to see if they have pillows, because you know Pier 1 always got the shit. So pretty in here. Oh, they changed it up a little bit. Oh, look at this reindeer, how cute. Where are the pillows, guys? Where are the pillows? How pretty. Ooh, pretty. Oh, wreaths are 20% off. And I just, yeah, but these are really expensive. How much you want to bet? Not bad though. Ooh, pretty. Look how pretty. Penguins. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my god, look. Looks like my theme, guys. Look at this little house, how cute. $60. But see, mine are cheap. Mine were cheaper. But I just bought this. How cute is that? Wait, $6.99. $6.99. I just paid $12.99 for mine. But this one doesn't have glitter and stuff. That's a really good price. These are $10. That is so cute. I'm kind of here for the little gray one. That's adorable. This one, $50. That's not bad. Look at these glasses. How cute. Super cute. Adorable. No pillows. What is up with the no glitter pillows this year? Oh my god, this house is like following me. Look how cute. God damn it, I want it. This one's $30. Oh my god, I can't deal with this. Cute. I didn't use them this year though, and I have some of those angel wings. I have one of these flowers, but I really wanted like some big gold, intricate gold, you know, and I don't see them this year. So weird. Because I love the shape and the color. Can't take this. Cut this shit. I'm finally home. I went to Bath and Body. I went to Pier 1. I made some stops. So I'm going to show you everything that I picked up. I got some new stockings. So this is the kind of thing that I recommend getting different every year because you can always find like nice cheap ones. Also found at Homesense for $12.99. So really perfect price. Guys, the jute rope that I got at Homesense, a really nice deal. I also got these holiday cups. I love pillow that I found on my journey today, which was so disappointing, but I really like it because it's thicker and it's not a feather pillow, and this one's more of like a canvas. And I love this shimmer metallic texture. This ribbon that I'm gonna put on the tree, picked that up. Also picked up these two gorgeous ornaments. I just could not get them. So Homegoods and Homesense every year, they have these really beautiful like glass, like handmade or like very intricate ornaments. I mean, do you see this beautiful light? It's like a super pearlescent light blush color with this gorgeous champagne glitter and then some beautiful pearls. I mean, just gorgeous. So expensive and exquisite and just so glamorous, so beautiful, so memorable. They're big. They're just gorgeous. Like, I couldn't not get them. I think they're $7.99. I picked up a bunch of hand soaps and candles. I also got this shower gel for free. This is one of my favorites, so I just picked it up because you can never go wrong with Rose. I picked up the Vanilla Bean Noel, the Winter Candy Apple, Iced Cinnamon Roll, Cherry, and 'Tis the Season. They smell so good. For candles, I picked up 2 of the Twisted Peppermint. Those are my favorites. I also picked up the apple scent, which is the same as this one. And then they came out with this new one called Lava Cake something. Oh, this one's really good too. They have a bunch of cute ones for Christmas this year. This is Peppermint Marshmallow. Oh my god, it smells so good. If you're a Twisted Peppermint or crushed candy cane fan, or even the hot cocoa, you would love that one. So I picked that one up. And then this was the one that the girl working was like, oh no, this is not the one. Oh, this one smells like a fresh Christmas tree, like a real pine Christmas tree. So this is woodland, balsam, eucalyptus, cedarwood, fir branches. It literally smells like a fresh Christmas tree, like you're walking in the woods. And then I got the 2 Twisted Peppermint. So just I had a coupon for $10 off, and then I also had the free body care coupon, and then the candles were $10 off, and these were 5 for $23. So all of this for $100. Definitely a steal. I'm so excited to put one of these on tonight while I'm finishing my decorating. I think I'm gonna do, I don't know, which one do I want to do? I kind of like the idea of the one that smells like the Christmas tree, just because it makes me feel like I have a real Christmas tree. Oh, this is the one, the lava cake. This is a new one that smells so good. Oh, this one smells like chocolate. It's so good, guys. You have to try it. I love that. It smells like, if you've ever been to Hershey Park in Pennsylvania, that's what it's, guys. I picked up the wreath that I showed you. This one was only $40 and it lights up, guys. It's like such a good deal. Oh my God, look at this. That wreath was such a good steal for 40 bucks. It lights up and it's gorgeous. It looks really expensive. When we were online to check out, the woman behind us like came up to the cart and she was like, oh my God, that's so beautiful. And I was like, dude, it's only $40. She was like, no way. I'm like, that's how I know I got a good deal, because it looks really expensive and it lights up.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for coming on this trip with me. Let me know if you enjoyed this. I mean, I know that a lot of you do, but it doesn't hurt to leave a like, and definitely hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and share my videos if you enjoy them, if you care. I really would love to hit 200K by, my birthday, end of the year. My birthday's in February. So I'll take the end of the year, but I'll also take February. I'm just really grateful to have you guys. And I just want to say thank you. I love you so much. I hope you're having a great holiday season. I have so many fun holiday videos coming. So definitely stay tuned. Hit that notification bell. I love you. And of course, stay glam. Mwah.